Are you experiencing hair loss problem? Is your hair not growing fast? This is a simple remedy that might help you to grow your hair fast and long. Let's see how to prepare this natural remedy at home.
There's no one I can turn to, and I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on. Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
After preparing your remedy, wash your scalp and use to massage for at least 3 minutes and leave it overnight. If you can do it daily, is the best. Within a month you might start seeing some changes on your hair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more health and beauty tips.